Wow, look at this. So if you have been watching the SedgeTool channel earlier this year, you're gonna say, hey, he's contradicting himself because he has an everyday carry from MetMo. But check it out, that is what lives in my pouch. And this is my pocket driver that I just love. The pocket driver lives in my pouch. But I don't take my pouch when I'm out and about. But I always have my keys with me. And this is the new MetMo Edge. So when you're out on the job site or out shopping or just kicking around and you need a little utility knife. This is a dual bevel utility knife, but also scraper. And it's held in tension with a magnet right here. So you're gonna look at this and say, this is too simple. That's the beauty of Metal in Motion, MetMo. Everything they make is of the utmost precision. This, like anything MetMo makes, has a 200-year guarantee. Hey, it just speaks volumes. Why a 200-year guarantee? It's simple. Everything is machined so perfectly. Yes, it's a fidget tool, okay? But this is a tool that you can utilize out and about. You need to open a box. You need to scrape something off. You need to cut into some plastic wrap. You need to scrape off one of those stickers someone sent you. So this is hardened steel right here. And it retracts and holds nice and sturdy so the edge is never in your pocket. It doesn't open up. So the edges are ground at 60 degrees. But everybody knows there's sharp and then there's wicked sharp. So you don't always need wicked sharp when you're just breaking open a box or scraping a sticker. But I want to do this. I want to take this apart for you. And it'll explain all the pieces and parts, but also I'll show you how I sharpened my edge. So you get your key ring here, and right here you have a little hex, and that's where the magnet is, and that's what retracts it. There's no spring. So this here that I use with my thumb is a little ejector pin, and I push it out, and I usually just hold that when I'm using it. Okay, but let me step you through this. Don't do what I did originally and remove the ejector pin first. Remove the magnet first. It makes it so much easier taking this out, the ejector pin, and also the blade. We'll remove the hex screw first and then take the magnet out. Okay. And then it's a number 15 Torx here to remove the ejector pin. Okay, make sure you set those aside. And you'll see the ejector pin is threaded right here. So it's pretty simple. You have an edge here and an edge here, and now let's go strop it. So this is such a unique design. You have your, I want to say chisel, that's ground at 60 degrees, but that's basically will be a scraper. Don't use it for a screwdriver. And then you have a secondary bevel this way. Okay, so that could be a knife edge. But what I want to concentrate is to make sure I always have that point right there where the two bevels come together. I'm just going to take it to my strop, and I'm going to strop each edge. I can feel that bevel on my strop and just go back and forth here just to hone it, and then come back in the other direction because you got to make sure those are two polished edges. And I'll do it similar here. I'll come up on that secondary bevel there and just come across each way. And you're going to see that that edge starts to take a slight shine, and you know you're actually making a difference on that bevel. You'll see how it's starting to shine. So I want to make a point, no pun intended. This comes fairly sharp. For me, I like everything wicked sharp, so you don't always have to put it to a high polish like I do, but this came out really good. So when you're putting this back together, make sure you put it and you slide it in. By the way, I don't know if I told you this. This is milled out of a single billet, and it comes in an aluminum, titanium, and stainless steel. So there's 3 versions of it. Okay, so when I put it in, make sure that that rounded part is facing up and the bevels are facing forward and down. So you'll see the thread right here. Just get that ejector pin in there and get your Torx in there to get it going. Now the tricky part is let's get that magnet in there and then get that hex in there and get that threaded in as well. And I just like to take this one and go like this because the magnet will drive you crazy trying to get that threaded in. Okay, and you can see that when I touch that, the magnet grabs it and holds it in tension while it's in your pocket. So I don't know if you've ever noticed or if I've ever met you out and about. I always have this. This is my keychain. I clip it to my belt loop. And guess what's going to live on that now? Right here, my new Edge. So when I tuck these in, the beauty of the MetMo Edge, it's always retracted with that magnet and it stays in tension. So I can tuck those right in and not worry about it. And my everyday carry is with something I carry every day, and those are my keys. I carry my MetMo pocket driver with me everywhere in the shop and on the job site because it fits right in my pouch. But now I'm so lucky because I have the MetMo Edge everywhere I go outside of the shop. So as we always say from the SedgeTool shop, be positive, stay sharp, and we mean wicked sharp.